Hello, everyone. Okay, so what we've done in the last class, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. We did some practicals. The second practical was about creating a table and all.
Okay, that is done.
Yes.
Okay. So we have to start with the third practical.
The second table you told to do.
Okay.
Second.
Yes, you,
Second.
you asked us to complete it.
Okay. So did you do that? Any questions in second question, second practical?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So second was just a table with three columns and that three rows, right?
Yes, and
Yes,
some
ma'am.
CSS.
Yes. You can add your own images in that I told you, right? You can create your own customization in that. That you
Not
always
that.
do.
Not that table. That table with a specification table with hours and marks.
Oh, okay. That the timetable one. Oh, all right. So you need to use their merging of Roseman and Colsman and all. That you tried?
Yes,
Done, ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh, you have done that. Oh, can you show it to me? That's very good, actually. Very
Yes.
nice. Yeah. Can you show it to me?
Ma'am, is my screen
Yes.
visible?
Yes. I can see your screen. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, wow. Very good. Very good, Maheshwari. Very nice. All right. So, anybody having any questions in how to use Roseman, Colsman attribute to merge and the rows and columns? All right. Okay. Sanskar?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
in the last row, first column, we have to means disappear the border. Then how to do that?
In last, can you repeat that?
Ma'am, in last row, first column, there is no border for the table for the cell.
Oh, okay. You can put border equals to 0. Border is one of the attribute of table.
For
Border.
for ma'am, that
Yes.
column only.
You can put that for TR. You can even do that border in TD also. See, if you put TR border is 0, no, then complete rows border will be 0. But if you want to do that for specific division, then you use that in TD. TD border equals 0. Are you getting, Mukun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you use the attribute border equals to 0, and you can even increase the border's thickness by border equals to 1, 2, 3. That you can increase it on your own in HTML. In CSS, you have border bottom, border top, those attributes in CSS. Yeah? Yes, Sanskar, did you
Yes,
do
ma'am.
second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, can you share your screen with me?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
others can continue with question number third. Huh? Others can start doing question number third. In question number third, you can use your own creativity, add images from URL, or you can even download them. All right. Yes, I can see your screen. Oh, okay. Nice. Very
Yes,
good. Oh, very good. Yes. What if you want to give color to a specific cell? What will you do, Maru? Can you tell me?
ma'am. I can use ma'am ID. Ma'am
Okay.
ID. Yes.
Yes. You will give ID to a certain specific, that cell, right? Using TD. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And then that ID you will give it in CSS.
CSS. Yes.
Okay. Good. ID you need to give dot or hash.
Ma'am, what?
For ID to give color in ID in CSS, will you
Yes,
use
ma'am.
dot ID or hash ID?
Hash.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Good. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Javani. Yes.
ma'am, I have a doubt in the table in which the last column, first row, the
Mm-hmm.
distribution of theory marks and in it below it there are the four column headers: R level, U level, A level, and total marks. So if we take the first row of unit number, unit title, and that, how will we fit the in the last column, last two rows like that? I'm
I'm not able to get your question.
Ma'am,
Can you?
can I switch on the camera and show you?
Yes.
I So can I show you?
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. You are not able to access it from your device, from your laptop?
Ma'am, I'm using my computer, but my the class is on in my mobile, so that's why I'm owning.
Okay, okay. But you cannot open your class on your device?
Yes, but it's a little bothersome, so I always
Okay.
open it from the mobile. So
All
can
right.
you
Okay. Mhm.
can you see, ma'am?
Yes. Okay.
You see the distribution of theory marks and the R level is and U level, A level. That headers are what we say different. So how to do that one?
Okay. All right. So you can use, see, that is actually two rows, right? Distribution of theory marks and RUA level are two different rows, right?
Yes, yes.
So you can use row span in teaching hours, unit title and unit number, and make it row span as 2 in the previous 3. Are you getting?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
yes. Yes, no problem. Yes, yes. Yes, other people, any question in question number 2? Jeet Avya?
Ma'am.
Yes, any question in question number 2?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah. What happened? Jeet?
Ma'am, I will not see.
Yeah? Oh, okay, okay. Shruti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any questions in question number 2?
No, ma'am.
All right. Are you able to perform that practical?
मैम मेरे पास लैपटॉप नहीं इसलिए मैं सेकंड भी ट्राई नहीं किया पर मेरे को समझ में आ गया कैसे करना है वो.
Okay, okay. Then you do this third question in your phone, okay? You are using the phone to
Right.
explain the session, right? Okay.
Yes,
Then
yes,
open W3 schools or open a new tab and, you try to perform the practical on your website. All right?
yes, ma'am.
All right, okay. What about Savan?
यस मैम.
Yes. Which question you are doing now?
मैम मेरे पास भी लैपटॉप नहीं है पर मैं थर्ड मोबाइल में कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, 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 no problem. Okay. What about Udayraj? Yes,
I
Udayraj.
am doing the third one.
Okay, you're doing third one. All right. Vachani. Shubham Vachani. Oh, he is not there. Third is very easy. You can try try to use CSS. Yes, Kriplani.
Hello, ma'am. Can I audible?
Yeah. Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Ma'am, give me a time.
Yeah.
Give me a 5 minutes. I'll set up my laptop just because
Okay.
of network issue. I don't.
All right. No problem. No problem. Kriplani, you were saying something?
No, ma'am.
All right. Okay. 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 You are doing which question right now?
Third, in phone.
In phone. Okay. No problem. See, in question number 3rd, try to give CSS border attributes. Try to give border color, border thickness, all these attributes in CSS for 3rd question, okay? Try that in CSS. Also try to align your, images position in center of the table, in center of that particular cell using CSS. Okay. Anybody still working on question number 2 except Jagani?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm also working. Ma'am,
Okay, okay.
don't forget this. Ma'am, can
Yes,
you share
yes.
the? Can you
You
share this
want-
question?
Okay, okay. I'll present my screen. Then you can see the question. Wait. Okay. See, now are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Let me take a screenshot.
Also, people who want to create your own website, see, the motto of this subject is at the end of the semester, you should be able to create your own website for any task, be it any task that you want to create for, but you should be able to create your own personalized portal. Now, is anybody interested in creating, like I had students who wanted to create the website for their father in the business, they want to help a customer who is, their friend or something. If any of the, or you even want to help your sister or brother in some project or something, you can create a portal for that. If you have any concept in mind, you tell me, I'll make a note of what we want to create, okay? And maybe after a few sessions, you can start working on that. Even from today itself, you can start working on that. All right. And at the end of the semester, you will have something to show people that, okay, I've done this much work and I have learned this many things. All right. If you have any concept in mind that you would like to create, you tell me, you speak to me. Okay. Anything that you want to create, like for instance, one of my students last year, he created a similar kind of social networking website, just like Facebook, where you can add friends, you can add your, family members also. You can create a login form with database integration. Those kind of things, if you want to do, you can tell me, I can help you out with that.
Ma'am.
Yes, Maheshwari, yes.
I want to, but I don't have that much knowledge about the web development. I want to create a website on the for my elder sister. Like she has a dental clinic.
Okay.
It will be inaugurated further. So we want to design a website for that.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay.
Orthodontist.
Okay, yes, that's very good. So what you can do is you can start creating the website using HTML, CSS itself, right? Then in the later stage, you can also develop a portal where you can ask a client to book appointments online itself from your portal. Yeah. Once they book the appointment, your sister will receive the notification via email or something that somebody has reserved the appointment like this. That all can be done using PHP, right? A database could be SQL, front end could be PHP, HTML, and JavaScript and CSS like that. Yeah. So what you have to do, Maheshwari, is try to create a page. You want a one-page website, right?
Yeah.
Yes. In one page, initially is in the first section, you give the introduction to what she is doing. All right. Her photograph, her introduction, who is the, what she has done in this field, everything you write it up, keep a write up. And on the top, you create navigation bar like home, then book an appointment like that. Understood? Then for hygiene, for dental hygiene, what do you usually do? Brush your teeth twice a day.
Whenever I will be starting this project, I will be contacting you. Okay.
Yes. According to that, you try. Any questions? Tell me. Yes.
I was not starting it because I want to learn more about web development. That's why I'm not starting it.
See, the thing is that you cannot learn unless you don't start doing it. Once you start creating the website, you automatically think, what shall I do to add this? What shall I do to, improve this like that? Are you getting?
Ma'am, for now, I have my hand is on only HTML and CSS. JavaScript is a bit hard for me. I have not learned yet JavaScript.
Right. You will not need JavaScript for now. What I'm suggesting is you try to create the top menu bar with HTML and CSS. Just like sir has suggested in the workshop, menu bar items, right on the top. You do that, one thing. Then you create pages for or sections for this introduction, all these sections. You don't need JavaScript in that. You will need JavaScript only when you integrate the backend programming of booking the appointments and all. Are you getting? Until that, you will not need JS for now. You start doing these things.
Okay.
Yes. Good. Very good. Okay. I'll put your name for dental website. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Somebody is telling something. I have done third and fourth table. Oh, very good, Madhuri. Very nice. You have done third and fourth both. Can you share your screen? Let me see what you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice, Madhuri. Very good. Yes, can you share your screen? Yes. I think the connection got lost. Madhvi, I'm not able to see your screen again. Madhvi? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, I was not able to see. Can you share your screen again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, wow. Yes, very good. Very nice, Madhvi. This is which? This is fourth practical, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you share the third one? Okay. Kriplani, what are you doing?
I went to my mom, so I'm doing now.
Okay. You are doing practical now. Which question you are doing?
Third.
Okay. Okay. Udayraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which question you are doing now? Third is easy, right?
Yeah, but I am still doing the third one.
All right. Okay. Okay. No problem. When will you show it to me?
Just in a few minutes.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Yes. Who else is working in on third project? Third question.
Me, ma'am.
All
Ravi.
right. Okay. Okay. Yes. Ravi, what do you want to do at the end of the semester in HCDA? Can you tell me? What do you want to make?
Not planned yet, but let's see.
All right. Okay. Any ideas that you have in mind?
No, ma'am. Not
Oh,
decided
okay.
yet.
No problem. Okay. 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 No problem. Jagani, do you have any problems in that table question? Question number 2.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing it again. No, I have no problem.
Okay. 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 Yes. Drashti,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Can you show me what you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Which question you are doing now?
Second one, little bit pending, so that one I completed.
Okay. You have finished second one. Now you are working on third.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay.
Just
Yes.
completed second one. My screen is visible.
Yes. 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 I can see your screen. Yes. Mhm. You are using VS Code. Okay. Oh, you know how to give. Show me the code one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, see, you did a blunder. You showed me your WhatsApp and I have seen the code in that. Rusty.
No, ma'am, little bit error. So I
Okay.
asked
Okay.
my friend that what is the error. That's why I.
All right. Okay. Table THTD. You have used border 1 pixel. All right. Okay. What if you want to use dashed border here? What will you change? Can you tell me, Drashti? What if we want to use dashed border? Can you do it in CSS?
Dashed border.
Yes, full of dashes. I don't want a big solid border. I want dashed border.
Here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes. Dashed. Okay. Yes. Very good. Let us check the output. Is it coming properly?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. What about what if you want to increase the thickness of the border? What will you do?
Thickness. Actually, ma'am, I don't remember that thickness.
That number that you used before, this 1 pixel, what is the use of 1 px?
Yes, ma'am. Then
What?
I increase then.
Yes, then what will happen?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
Then do you always need to run it, or do you always need to double click and run it, or you can just refresh and check the output? You need not to run the practical again and again. You can just refresh.
Okay,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Yes, yes. All right. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
थर्ड प्रैक्टिकल मैंने ट्राई किया था होम पे.
Okay. Okay.
I just show you.
Okay. All right. Can you share? Can you show me the output?
Yes, ma'am. Zero.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. You have used the same images.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you show me your code?
Yes. Using HTML, not CSS.
Okay. All right.
फोर्थ वन भी किया है मैंने. Let me show you.
How do you run in VS Code? Do you just click on run?
Here?
How do you run the program in VS Code?
Ma'am, I am using short key Alt LO.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. For directly seeing the. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay, good. Good, yes, okay.
Ma'am, but my question is in that in HTML tag where third line B bold italic.
Underline, yeah.
उसमें बी है तो उसके दोनों मतलब स्पेस आती है और टेबल में स्पेस नहीं होनी, तो उसके लिए कौन सा टैग यूज करना है वो मुझे नहीं पता.
Oh, non-breaking space. Go to your coding part. I will show you. Go to your VS Code.
Yes, ma'am. Here.
Okay. See, ampersand. Do you know the sign of ampersand? Ampersand. Do you know? On the key 7, you will find ampersand and operator.
Yes.
Yes. Put and operator. These are entities in HTML. And operator.
Like
okay.
here.
Yes. Yes. Good. Now write NBSP. Non-breaking space. N.
BS.
You have to write it after end. After end.
Yes.
Yes. N non-breaking space is the full form. Short form is NBSP. Correct. And then put a semicolon at the end. Done. All these are known as entities in HTML. Now you say when you check the output.
Yes, ma'am.
One NBSP means one space. Are you getting? See, there is one more additional space, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, exactly.
But ma'am, my question is, we don't want space.
Okay, then what do you want?
Like ऐसे करना हो हमें अगर मतलब
Okay.
तो वो नहीं आता ना.
Oh, okay. That is what you are telling. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. See, because less than is actually one of the tag. You can use less than in create less than in coordination with different tag. That is the reason it is showing like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now put NBSP over there.
Where?
Yes, before B.
And NBSP.
Semicolon. And remove space initially. The first space that you have, remove that space.
This one.
No, you remove the tag. You have to remove just the space. You remove, yes.
Yeah.
Now try.
No, man.
Because see, less than B, all these are, less than itself is one of the tag over here, no? And you are just printing this, see, right?
Yes.
All the tags start with less than and the actual name after that, no? So it is showing you that problem. Because there is no such tag as less than B greater than, like that. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you will need space over there to separate. It is not a tag like that, you need to show.
Okay,
that is why it is happening. But there is one more thing you can do here. You know this ampersand I told you, no? You can use ampersand LT. LT is for less than sign. See, you remove, yes, LT. Yes, and semicolon. Yes, now you try. You will not need this run and check. See, are you getting now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and GT, ampersand GT is for greater than sign. That you can do. Got it?
Got it.
Yes, okay, all right. Yes, no problem. Now what is the next thing that you want to do, Drashti?
What, ma'am?
Now what next do you want to do? See, now you can create your own website, right? From the work, you can have those, tutorials, and you can create your own website. So what website do you want to create next?
अभी तक प्लान कुछ ऐसा किया नहीं है मैम. अभी तो सीख ही रही हूँ, मतलब still learning.
Okay, but still, if you learn, then what do you want to create at the end? I am asking that.
Not planned yet.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Can I stop sharing?
Yes, you can stop sharing. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Madhvi done with all the practicals in the list. Miss Dalsania? Yes, have you done with all the practicals in the list?
No, ma'am.
Alright, which question you are doing now?
Yes.
Which question you are doing now? Okay, no problem. Yes, okay. Your voice is actually breaking so much, that's why. Okay. Anybody facing any issues, any problems in question number 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes. What happened? Yes.
Ma'am, the image which I am trying to update is not getting updated on the web page.
Oh, okay. Can you share your screen with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sakshi, what is Sakshi telling? Okay. First lab. All right, no problem. Sakshi, you are next. I'll help you out with that, okay? Share your screen after Maheshwari is done. Yes, Maheshwari.
Ma'am, I am just trying to add the this.
Yeah.
On that, I have created a folder of images in which I have created. I have taken this image, sun image.
Yes.
Sun.png, and in practical 3 I'm writing that I have created a table and table heading is sunny. I will do it later, that with the blue color, all that, and then I'm trying just to add the image.
Okay.
Ignore this, and just to add the image, so it should reflect now on the web page, but it is not.
Okay. Oh, okay. Image is not there. What tag you are doing? You using img only? No. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. See, you forgot to start the double quotation before I.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. As it is the complete path, you need to.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Yes. No problem. No problem. Yes. No issues. Yes. Yes. Sakshi, share your screen. What problems you are facing from day one? I can help you out. Sakshi?
I am not facing any problem. I am just trying practical 3 right now. So I have to take permission from you because I haven't done practical 1.
No permission. No permission is needed. You do whatever you want to do. See, there is no problem in changing the sequence of the practicals, okay? You can do the first one first or the last one first. Doesn't matter. All right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. No problem. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Ravi.
in the
Yes.
practical, you want us to write that text. I mean, you stated every weather as sunny, cloudy, snowy, and all. You want us to keep that text, or it's okay if we just keep the logo or font, the picture?
Oh, okay. That is what you are telling.
Yes.
Okay, that is fine. You can even keep just the picture. That is also fine. Because if you were to write the logo, then you would have to make another TR for that, no?
Sorry, I didn't got it.
Okay, were you planning to make another row for adding these snowy, windy, cloudy?
Yes, without borders.
Oh, yes, yes. You can go ahead and do that. No problem. Yes, yes, you can do that. Okay, I try to give this border and every attribute in CSS. Now, try to do that in CSS.
Okay.
Okay. See, by next lab means by 1 week, I want you all to give me some definition of what do you want to create at the end of this HCDL lab. Because now that you know few tags, you can explore more tags once you start building the website. The more you will start building, the more you will start exploring yourself. All right. So I want the ideas from you. What do you want to create? Because otherwise I will have to give you the definition, which is fixed. Then you have to do that only, and it is very hectic for you. So I want you to tell me what do you want to do. Somebody would want to create a beauty website, like selling nail polishes or selling some beauty products. Somebody would want to create an ERP kind of system. Whatever you want to create, but tell me what do you want to do? What kind of portal do you want to create? Okay. Somebody would want to make the informatory website for, say for example, asanas or yogas or something like that. Whatever is your interest, whatever you feel good, that you tell me. Somebody would want to even show the equations of physics and chemistry or engineering mathematics, whatever you want to do. But you tell me by the next week, what do you want to do? Okay, in this lab. Because next, yes. Can
we do it in a group?
In group, see, the thing is that I would love that, of course. But from the HOD, what I've received is you have to do it individually. Otherwise, I
know it would be better if we create alone, but as per me, if we do it in group, then we can get more ideas and we can create better than. So I was just asking.
No, I understand your concern, and again, that will be helpful for all of them if you do it in group, because both of our multiple partners can work on one project. That is good, but what the HOD has told me is if they are not giving you definition by next week, then I will give them definition and they have to work on that individually only. That is the problem. Okay, so I insist that you have to, that you start planning yourself, alone itself, no, not in groups. But however, you can exchange ideas in groups, so that is also fine. There is no worries in that. Right?
It's okay.
Yeah, yes. It's like one of the, everybody will create a navigation bar. In the way you want to create, whether do you want it on top or you want it on left, that is user dependent. That ideas you can exchange, with your friends. Yes. Uday Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm trying to remove the space between the images.
Oh, okay, okay. Is there any, you can even out the image size. You can even out the image size and then you can put, so every image will have same amount of space.
Yes, I did that, but what's happening is that there space between two TRs is coming. Even I haven't given the border still.
Okay. Can you
That's
share your screen? I will share your screen with me.
Yeah, just a minute. Here.
Okay. Yes,
Here I have given the image size as 200 cross 200 pixels.
Okay.
And when I look over the TD, it's saying that it is 200 got 204.
Oh, okay. In TD. Okay. Can you show me your code?
Yeah, sure. This is the CSS.
Okay. Yes.
And
Yeah, you have given. Okay. Border 0. Yes, so border is having no width and height. Okay. TD. Okay. Oh. Show me your CSS once again. PMG tag. Good. Width. Good. Height. 200. Okay. Good. CSS. Correct only. Width and height you can give like this. That is correct. Can you make that padding 0 in image also? Will you do that?
yeah, sure, let's try. But it's still only this border. I mean, this only there is this space which is not going on.
Okay. So in row it is happening, no?
Yes, yes.
In TR it is happening. It's showing
Here
20.
it should be 400 cross 400. I mean 200, but this is 204.
Yeah. Can you show me your code again? Yes. TD, TR, both padding is 0, right? Okay. Padding is 0 in this one. Border is 0. Okay. Okay. TR. That doesn't matter if you change the sequence. That is not the problem. Can you show me your HTML once?
Yes.
All the images are fitting in that properly. The images that you are using, is it fitting in that properly?
No, some images sizes are different, but I have already given the width and height, so they must fit.
Yeah. Try reducing the height and width to 150 pixels. Is it still coming? Reduce the height to 100 or 150 or something. Oh, it's still there. You haven't used BR somewhere, right? BR you haven't.
No BR.
Then it shouldn't be a problem.
No BR.
Yeah. TR, TD, TR start again, TD end, TD start, TD end. TR end, table end, correct. Okay, spacing 0, heading 0, border 0. There is no border at all, actually. Okay, what we can do is, Udairaj, will you share this with me? I'll check it on my own.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will mail you. Okay.
Yes, yes. Share this with me, both CSS and HTML. I'll check it on my own. What is the problem? You, okay, yes, yes. You share it with me. Also, try running this in a different browser because browser the output may change.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Is also one thing that you try. But again, share it with me. H1 you have ended or not? H1 you have ended. Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine. Yes, you share this with me. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check it on my own. Okay. Facing any issue? Anybody facing any issue in practical 1, 2, 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am doing practical 3 and image can't be set. Can you please
Drashti, will you mute yourself? You are on unmute. I can see the echoing. Yes. Okay. Drashti.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Sakshi, you were saying something. Can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Meanwhile, I'll mark the present absent also. Anurag is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mihir. People who I'm taking action present, those people can leave who already have marked this present. Mihir is absent. Harsh Maheshwar is present. Sanskar present. Shravan present. Naseeb. 1 minute. Sakshi, I'll check. Yes, what is happening? Yeah, it's tilted actually. I'm not able to see it properly. Can you tilt your phone? It's actually tilted. It's inverted. I cannot see the content properly.
Yes, ma'am. I have told you that I have network issues in
Oh,
our
okay.
area.
No. Yes, no problem.
Just a minute, ma'am. I am setting something so you can see.
Okay. Yes. Okay, Naseeb absent. Krunal Bhimani present.
Present.
Mukund present. Madhvi. Yes. Shruti Khetani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Present. Harsh Modha. Yes.
Forgot me after Madhvi, my roll number is coming. Ayush.
Yes, I have marked you present. I know people who are talking to me. I already know them.
Okay.
Yes. Harsh Modha. Mahek Sangani.
Yes, ma'am.
Piparia.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Ravi Soni. Present. Nirali. Anjali. Dhara Dalsanya. Dhruvil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vishwa. Jeet present. Dinesh Kriplani present. Nivya. Okay. Devang. Sakshi present. All right. Yes, others can leave the session. Yes, Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Share that file with me. I'll check better. Yes. Sakshi.
Ma'am, you are able to see my screen now?
Oh, yes. TD, you have mentioned image, SRC. Okay. All right. You have mentioned the path. Okay. What is happening after that? You have.
Output to you.
Okay. What is the problem here?
Image is not loading.
Oh, okay. Can you show me the image path again?
Yes, ma'am. This is my path of image.
Okay. You have kept 1/, right?
Yes.
And that is backslash. No, try to keep forward slash beta. Try to keep forward slash.
I have already copying that, and after that, like I have copying from the properties. So
Yes, I know. But in HTML, forward slash will work. You try forward slash.
okay, ma'am, I'm just trying.
Yes. Try forward slash.
Ma'am, still not working.
Okay. Mm. If you open that path, is that image in that particular path itself? Did you check the extension of the image?
Yes, ma'am.
Which extension? JPEG, JPG, which extension it is?
Ma'am, this is properties of that picture, and I have copying from that.
But at the end of the file name, you need to mention the extension also, bit of the image. See, you haven't mentioned the extension. No, image name is there. But what is the file extension? Is it PNG? It is JPEG?
JPG.
Yes, that also you need to mention. Now you try. Is it coming? The image is too big. Sakshi, unmute yourself. The image is too big. You can set the width and height of the image, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Understood now?
Yeah. Understood.
Yes. Okay. No problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, no problem. Yes, you can leave the session. Yes, you all can leave the session.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kriplani.
ma'am, I am unable to do in phone.
In phone. Why? What happened? You are not able.
W3 स्कूल में वो कुछ भी इरेज कर रहा हूँ तो वापस वो आ जाता है।
क्या आ जाता है?
उसमें मतलब न्यू ऐसे ब्लैंक कुछ आता है, ऐसा ब्लैंक खुलता है।
हाँ.
I am asking.
Oh, okay. A new page in W3 schools. That is what you're telling.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I'll help you out with something which is not having that. Okay. Okay, see, I'm sharing a link with you in the chat box. पहले क्यों नहीं बोला आपने मुझे? See, try this. You're planning?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, try it. It is having the big HTML page. The moment you start typing, I think it will automatically give you the output. You need not to run it. Okay. On the side page, it will automatically show you the output. Okay. Are you able to open that? Okay. Are you able to open it on your phone?
Yes.
All right. Okay. There are two tabs. Yeah.
Open हो गया.
Yes. There are two tabs over there. Left side you will see the output. Right side you will write the code. Remove the initial code and then start typing. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Next time you will show it to me in this editor.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Yes. All right. Yes, you all can. Yes, Mukund. Yes.
Ma'am, in the third table, I had tried to put the border to 0 pixel, but it's not coming.
Okay, can you show it to me? Can you share your screen? Okay. You have kept border as just 0, not 0 pixel. Just remove the PX. It will automatically come. Yeah. It's still not going. TR border. TR. See, you want to keep border 0 for that particular row, right? Oh, okay. For that division you are talking about. All right. Okay. If you put TD 0, border 0, okay, nothing is happening. Okay. Now what you will do is, Mukund, give ID over here. Okay. Give ID over here. In CSS, you keep border width 0 in CSS. Okay. Give one ID here for this particular TD. Yes. Now in CSS, you keep that. Border width, yes, equals 0 pixel, yes. Gone? See?
Yes, ma'am, gone.
All right. Okay. No problem. Yes. You can leave the session. All right. I'll see you all in the next class. All right. Yes.